In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly with LinkedIn messaging. If you've been searching for an effective way to streamline your calendar management while engaging on LinkedIn, this tutorial will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your Calendly dashboard and look for the option labeled Integrations and Apps. This is the starting point for connecting your Calendly to various other platforms, enhancing its functionality and ensuring an efficient workflow across your devices. Once you've located it, click to explore the myriad of options available to enrich your scheduling experience. Now, in the search bar provided, type in LinkedIn and wait for the relevant result to appear. This will initiate the process of integrating your LinkedIn account with Calendly, which can greatly enhance your networking efforts by helping you manage meetings and communications more effectively. Click on the result to proceed. If you're using Google Chrome as your browser, you'll want to click on Download to Chrome. This step is essential for those utilizing Chrome, as it ensures that your integration will work smoothly within this particular browser environment. Once you've clicked on the download, you'll be directed to add the necessary extension. Simply click Add to Chrome to install the extension, and bear in mind that extensions are small software programs that can modify and enhance the functionality of the Chrome browser. They allow you to tailor your browser experience to your specific needs. After the extension has been added, it's time to log into your LinkedIn account. Head over to LinkedIn and enter your credentials to access your account. Be sure to take any security precautions necessary, such as two-factor authentication if it's available, to maintain your account's security. Once logged in, follow any on-screen instructions provided. These prompts are designed to help you complete the setup process smoothly, ensuring that your Calendly integration is connected and ready to use with LinkedIn messaging. And there you have it, a streamlined integration between Calendly and LinkedIn messaging. By following these steps, you're now equipped to efficiently manage your schedule, making it easier to connect, communicate, and coordinate with your professional network. Remember, integrating these platforms not only saves time, but enhances your professional interactions, enabling you to focus on what truly matters, building valuable relationships and seizing opportunities as they arise. Thanks for following along, and I hope this integration helps you optimize your networking and scheduling efforts. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity and online engagement. Until next time, happy networking.